Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, I hope so you are watching the videos and thanks for subscribing. Today we are going to learn articles where we are going to see we don't use article before these situations, like we don't use any article before the proper names, the names of the people or the names of the cities. Second rule is we don't use any article before the plural countable nouns. For example, children like chocolate. So here it is a generalized statement, children like chocolate. Computers are used everywhere, second generalized statement. But if I want to talk about something which is related to me, for example, I have my children at home and when I come from out and I don't find my children, I can ask where are the children, which is related to me. Where are the students of my class, related to me. So if I am making a generalized statement, I don't use any articles before the plural countable nouns. Third situation is we don't use any article before the abstract nouns. For example, honesty is the best policy. I wouldn't say the, a or an is the best policy. Second is he got angry all of a sudden. So there is no article. Okay. Next situation is we don't use any article before the names of languages. We don't use the English, an English, a Chinese, the Japanese, no article before the names of any languages. We don't use any article before the names of the relations. I wouldn't say the father, a brother, the mother. We don't use any article. Next important situation is substances like iron, gold, silver, sugar, salt. We don't use any article. For example, sugar is bad for health. Gold is a precious metal. But when something is made from that, for example, gold chain. So I would say the gold chain which you are wearing is beautiful. For example, the olive oil is good for health. The silver utensils are used during the rituals. So guys, keep learning, keep watching. Thanks for now. Bye bye.